I just explained that the Dn octahedral term diagram can be used for the 5 plus n octahedral. By that I meant D1 is equivalent to D6. Whatever is the diagram for D1, same can octahedral, same can be used for D6 octahedral system. Now here is another important thing. I think you know that electron is opposite of positron. Consider this T2G. In T2G there are 2 electrons. Again, T2G4 has 2 positrons. So electron is opposite to positron. So it will be reverse. Whatever is the diagram, octahedral diagram for this will be suitable for tetrahedral of T2G4. Okay, if one gives octahedral splitting, T2G lower in energy, the other will give tetrahedral splitting in which Eg is lower. See this one, this is lower, this is tetrahedral, and this is octahedral, T2G is. So remember, I have put it here, term sequence is in same order for Dn octahedral and D10 minus n tetrahedral. That would mean that the D1 octahedral and D9 tetrahedral diagrams are going to be same. D2 octahedral diagram will be same for D10 minus 2, that means D8 tetrahedral diagram. Let me show you. I think I have put it here. D1 octahedral equivalent to D9 tetrahedral. It simply means the term diagram of D1 octahedral D1 can be used for D9 tetrahedral. This is what I mean. D2 octahedral diagram can be used for D8 tetrahedral, and so on and so forth. D1 in octahedral T2G is doublet T2G is the ground state, while in D9 in octahedral Eg is the ground state. See this one, here is a diagram. This is D1 system. T2G is the ground state. Okay. Whereas in D9 octahedral, it's here. This is D1 octahedral. This is D9 octahedral. What is the ground state? E. Eg is the ground state. Okay. And you will learn what these are called Orgel diagrams. You will learn more about it in a separate letter. Okay. The Orgel diagram, it clearly depicts that same energy level diagram can be used for D1 octahedral and D9 tetrahedral. See this one, D1 octahedral and this is D9 tetrahedral. In D9 tetrahedral, T2G is the ground state. Hopefully, you will learn it very soon. How do we find out the ground states of these various ions. Thank you very much for giving me your attention.